Alright guys, it's almost 12 o'clock at night. I was just gonna open this by myself and then go to bed, but I just figured I'll open it with you guys tonight. So I got a order from harryjepstein.com. Ordered from them before. This is my second order. Just gonna open this with you guys. And I'll show you what I got. Alright, well, you can see one of the first items right here. We have a 7-inch Eagle grip, locking plier, these are really nice. I took my capris to work, and since I seen they had these for 30 bucks a piece, I had to get them. I had to get them. Yeah, wow. Very nice. I'm excited about these. I might have to buy the other ones that they have before they disappear. I've always wanted these whenever they first came out, but the price was just too much. But 29 bucks, I can do that. We got another one. Straight jaw instead of curved jaw. This is awesome. This made in the USA stuff is just wow. Especially on something like this. Usually the ones that I have are from my dad or co-workers that have the USA ones, or you got to go to a garage sale. But these are nice. Almost too nice to use. Put that aside. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. We got the 10-inch straight jaw. Great looking pair of pliers. Yeah, I forgot I ordered these. These were 50% off. For some reason, all the Husky stuff was 50% off. So I think these were like $5, maybe $5. So I just figured, why not? That website, man, when you get on that website, it is hard to not keep buying things. It's very hard. I didn't need these at all, but I don't have torque screwdrivers, but now I do. The locking pliers I did need because I took my capris to work. Let's just open this little thing too. It's exciting. I need a little phone stand or something. I'm gonna put the phone down in just a second. Some Craftsman made in the USA. Guys, I had to use one of these at work recently just to get into a tight spot to tighten up a little through bolt. So for the $2 or whatever it was for these, other than this mark that's on it, it's worth it. I'm not sure if this sheet right here has the prices on it, but if it does, I'll go over them with you guys. And then under here, I got some 6-inch Malcos. I use these every single day at work, every day. And holy shit, somebody's hair is in here. Okay. Let's put that on the brown paper over there. Whoever packed it was shedding. But I use these every single day at work. These things are awesome. I had this one in the 4-inch, and then I had this one in like, I don't know, 3 inches or whatever it was. And I just always had to keep putting extensions on them. So if you're ever gonna buy these, just get the 6 inches. Don't even play, get the 6. And this was, I think, $17.40. This one was like 18 bucks and change. These are brand new, so I might need 2 hands to pop them off. But anyways, it's a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 magnetic. You flip them over so you can clean it off. These are awesome. I mean, every single day at work we use these. All the guys use these that I work with. Oh shit, I guess I bought a second one because it was half off. Maybe a gift or something. I don't know what I was thinking. I was buying stuff late at night. And then last but not least, the 10-inch curve jaw. Some stickers, cool. So we got these 2 new old stock USA Huskies for a couple bucks. Let's take another look at these. I've never used the vice grips that are like the clamp version. I've never needed to use those, but I might just buy them just because these are going to be disappearing, and I'm not trying to pay the Snap-on price for them. Let's see. Yeah, I know the prices weren't listed on here, but yeah, I got 2. But yeah, this is what I bought. These are going to be used more than anything. This will be used a couple times in my life. These will be used as needed for sure. Can never have enough vice grips. But these are so nice that you almost don't want to use them. I'm going to though, it's a tool. 29 bucks a piece. Can't go wrong. Alright guys. Thanks for opening this up with me and watching. Peace.